How to use curve tool in Picsart. Want total control over your photos, lighting and tones? Let's dive into using the curve tool in Picsart. First, open your image in the editor and click on adjust from the left toolbar. Scroll down and select curves. You'll see a diagonal line over a graph. Click and drag points on the curve to adjust highlights, midtones and shadows. Drag upward to brighten specific tones or downward to darken. Experiment with the RGB channels individually to create stunning color effects. Once you are happy, click apply to finalize the adjustments. Have you used curve before or it is your first time? Let us know in the comments below. For a cinematic look, lift the shadow slightly by raising the bottom left point of the curve. And that's how you can use curve tool in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.